Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number 4. Cuatro. Multi-tool. Plain and simple. Keep it on you. You won't be disappointed. This is the TEMU. I think it's like an 8-in-1, 10-in-1. Heck, I'm not sure. Lanyard hole, bottle opener, 1/4 inch. I think it's like a 10. Bit driver, bits on the bottom. Okay, I forgot. You take this out, push the bit up that you need. Let's say you needed that bit. Okay, you could actually put the bit in the front and just use it like that if you want to on the top. No? Yeah, on the top right here. Slide this in. It's got a detent. Then put that on there. Bow, and you can use it like that. Are you with me? Okay. Now you can take it off of that hole if you don't want to use it like that. Then put it back in the top. Are you with me? And use it like that. Okay, you done with that bit. Put that bit back in there. Okay, you want another bit? You need a Phillips. Bow, use the bottom. Put it back in. Smackers. Okay, you need a little more leverage. Smackers. Of course I drop it. Because if you've been watching me for a while now, you know that if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. So I was just trying to show y'all the different ways to use the ratchet. Okay. And if it can go wrong, it'll go wrong. If it can go wrong, it'll go wrong. It'll go wrong. Oh, pop, crack, smack. Everything just popped right then. God dang. Light. Has a light. Bottle opener. Carabiner. Or lanyard hole. I put a zip tie lanyard on it, and then a little carabiner, double-sided carabiner. It's one of my little favorites right here. So, yeah. TEMU, 8-in-1, 10-in-1, whatever you want to call it. Multi-tool. Where would it rank on your list? Where to make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.